Good day everyone. So for today's topic, I'm gonna tackle about media and family, and the other one is media and migration. So first to tackle is about media and family. So let us have first the types of family based on a religious study as introduction to Christian ethics. So first one is nuclear family. A family unit consisting of two adults and any number of children living together. So in the first family, uh, this is what we call the main family. The main family or our own family. And the second one is extended family. Grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins, either all living nearby or within the same household. And the second one is um, in one home or house, we live together with our ancestors. The third one is reconstitute family, also known as a step family. A family where one or both adults have children from previous relationships living with them. This reconstitute family or a step family is what we consider as a second family because of of having a one family and one family to another. So the last or the second to the last is single parent family, consists of a parent not living with a partner who has most of the day-to-day responsibilities for raising the children. It is single parent family is what we called solo parent family. It is um, it is either mother and son, or mother and her daughters, or father and her daughters, or father and his son. And the last one is same-sex family. Since civil partnerships were legalized in 2005, the number of same-sex families has been growing. Same-sex marriage was legalized in 2014. So in same-sex family, it's either the other partner have his or her children in his previous relationship, or it's either they will adopt to have a family. So in these types of families, we surely use any kind of media, and in some instances, using media has a positive and negative impact that affects families. So let us now proceed in the structures. In structures, that having three ways that media affects the family. So the first one is structures attention. Media consumption keeps one or more family members focused on something. In structures attention, it tells that when a family is gathered, for example, in family dinner, instead they will talk about on what happened to their days. They are still focused on their phones with their different businesses, which tends to become a negative impact. While on the other hand, the positive one is even they have their own businesses, they still have time to talk to each other. So now for the second one is media consumption, structured physical location. Media can keep family members in a particular spot. Here in the second ways, When families is in one spot, media affects them by means of having a family time. For example, during weekend, they watch television together, and at the same time, they shares topic to each other. Third is media consumption, structured time, and keep family members occupied for a set duration. Last is when family members has their own businesses with media and they don't have time for each other because they are all busy. So let us now proceed to the media, family, and culture. First is parents tended to use or allow media consumption as a way of structuring their hectic lives. This means that parents used media to check their children's life to be updated on the different events of theirs despite of having hectic schedules. So the second is all three of those rules presented above can be beneficial to a parent who is trying to create order out of a chaotic time at home. Also, this means that parents and also helps parents to still keep in touch with the events of their family in home by virtually planning. And lastly, media and family keeps us physical in touch with the other people in our different culture and in this society. Um, Lastly, media connects us to the different people to understand their different culture and society as well as our society. And to sum up, this topic means about the relationship of families with involve of media in how it works and in how it goes well.